Hello, my name is Brennan and I am the McGraw-Hill Associate for College of the Desert. The art faculty and my team collaborated to come up with your course materials for the current semester for ART10 or Art Appreciation. Today I will be briefing you on Connect and SmartBook, where you will be going to access a portion of your assignments for the semester. We'll talk about registration as well as some best practices for running the program. We'll get into the resources that are available to you, in particular SmartBook. We'll talk about your purchasing options and technical support. For the smoothest experience when running Connect, I recommend one of these three web browsers. If you have a Mac at home, Safari works fine. Otherwise, Firefox or Chrome come recommended. Please note that we ask that you refrain from using Internet Explorer when accessing Connect. Much like an application for your smartphone, Internet Explorer updates a bit too rapidly for McGraw-Hill, and so it can create for a bit of an unuser-friendly experience. We also ask that you regularly clear the cookies as well as your web history on your Internet browser. Like any other web-based application, Connect has a tendency of getting bogged down if there's too much space being taken up by your web history. I will show you how to register here in just a moment. It is a good practice when you register for the very first time. If you scroll to the bottom of the Connect home screen, there's a link at the bottom of the screen that says Troubleshooting. If you click that link, now nothing's gone wrong, but this link is going to run a diagnostic on whatever device you are using to access Connect at that time. This diagnostic is going to identify any programs that either need to be installed or updated on your particular device in order to run Connect most efficiently. So these are three quick and easy steps you can take prior to accessing any of the coursework and any of the resources to ensure a smooth experience. Your required materials for this course are Living with Art 10th edition by Mark Getline. Please note your faculty has set aside a custom bundle of this text in the campus bookstore. This does include both the print text as well as the Connect access code that you will need for this course, and that is reflected upon in this image here on the right. Please note that the image on the left and the image on the right are in fact the very same book. As I mentioned, the image on the right contains that Connect access code and it is customized for College of the Desert. The image on the left is what we call the national version of this title. It is available in just about anywhere from Amazon to anywhere on the web really, but it's not guaranteed to have the access code that you need. Registration in Connect is pretty straightforward. Just log into your Blackboard account and locate ART10 with your instructor. Locate the folder that will contain your Connect and SmartBook assignments and click on that. You'll see a list of icons very similar to the ones here. Click on any one of those icons for the purposes of registration. It will bring you to a welcome screen for Connect. Go ahead and click Continue. You'll then be asked to enter an email address. We do ask that you use your College of the Desert student email when registering in Connect and click Submit. And then everyone will be brought to this screen. I mentioned the bookstore earlier. If you acquired your materials in the campus bookstore, you already have your Connect access code and you have everything you need as well as the print text. Take that code that is bundled with that book and enter it here on the left and redeem by clicking Submit. Maybe you're on financial aid, maybe your work schedule is up in the air, you're not sure if you're going to stick with the course. In the meantime, McGraw-Hill will provide you with 2 weeks of courtesy access to Connect. You'll have access to all the resources, any assignments your instructor has set up for you through Connect, and at the end of those 2 weeks you need to make a decision, either purchase a code or whatever other option your instructor has set out for you. Which leads to my third option, which is buying directly from McGraw-Hill. For $75 you can purchase an all-digital code that will provide you access to the e-text and all the assignments. There's no print component that will automatically accompany buying online. Just click Buy Online, enter your credit card, and off you go. Everyone will create an account in Connect if you have not done so already. First name, last name, security question, password, pretty straightforward, and you're all set. Snapshot of the home screen in Connect. For those that decide to or prefer to purchase the all-digital code for $75 direct from McGraw-Hill, you will get an additional option to purchase a loose leaf version of the textbook. This is a binder-ready version that McGraw-Hill will mail directly to your home for $15. That's $15, no tax or markup. McGraw-Hill will send a copy of the physical book to your home. Okay, SmartBook is a study tool. It was inspired by the same technology that you may find either on Amazon or Netflix, where the user, or the student in this case, have a profile with the technology. SmartBook highlights what you need to read, what you need to study, and what you need to learn. It ensures that every minute you spend in SmartBook is returned to you as what we call the most high impact minute, and it's powered by LearnSmart. So what does that entail? SmartBook will be asking you questions as you read and as you study based on the learning objectives for the chapter you are reading that week. You'll note you have a question and you have an answer set. This is multiple choice, some are true or false, some are fill in the blank. However, SmartBook is going to ask you to assign a cognitive value to your answer. This is not a test, this is not a quiz, this is not anything you are being judged on if you have no idea what the answer is. SmartBook is trying to identify what parts in the reading, what parts in the lecture maybe didn't stick with you or maybe you're not totally comprehending yet. Much like a flashcard, SmartBook is going to be personalizing these questions to your needs only and recirculating them so when you see them again, it is more likely to move from your short-term memory and into your long-term memory where you can recall this information during tests and exams. In addition, SmartBook has an embedded e-text. I mentioned the e-text earlier. This is your textbook, folks. Please note that some passages are highlighted in green here. This is grayed out. This is in yellow. If a passage is highlighted in green, SmartBook is telling you you have demonstrated an understanding of this concept. These passages correlate directly to your performance on the question and answer module. What you are essentially looking at is a reflection of your understanding. If you demonstrate an understanding through the green passage, we want to move you on to the parts that are highlighted in yellow. Yellow means slow down. SmartBook wants you to pause a moment, maybe reread this passage again, answer a few more questions so you get a greater understanding, a greater foundation of this content. We're getting a lot of great feedback on this program and we hope you guys enjoy it. You can also, just a couple of quick things, you can turn the highlighting feature on and off at any time through this little guy here in the lower left corner. Click that, the highlights go away and you're reading just a static ebook. There's no specific flow for this program. You read, you practice, and you preview the chapter at your convenience. This is designed to accommodate many, many different learning styles. Thank you for your time. My final slide is on tech support. In the event you experience an issue with SmartBook or Connect or any of the aforementioned programs, I've given you a couple of troubleshooting measures between the diagnostic that will identify any programs that need to be installed. Please don't use Internet Explorer and the clearing of your web history. If you're still having a problem, please give our customer care team a call, 800-331-5094, and note their working hours. Every time you give the customer care team a call, they're going to issue you a case number. It's very important you write that case number down because in the event the care agent is not able to solve your problem on the spot, you need to bring that case number to Professor Socio's attention, who will contact my team and we will come up with a solution for you. Best of luck to everyone in art appreciation and take care.